Hey everyone, here are 3 simple gift ideas that you can make out of scrap wood. Please like and subscribe down below and enjoy the video. The first gift idea is a triangle shelf. I used 1x4 scraps in my garage, and you'll want to make sure that you cut your angles at 30 degrees. This is a smaller triangle, so I measure the long side of the board 12 inches. Now that the pieces are cut, I like to dry fit and make sure it's all working out. And now it's time to glue it up. I ended up using a ratchet strap with support blocks to help hold it all in place. These support blocks are just made out of 2x4s, and I ended up cutting them at 30 degrees on each side. It helps hold it into place. Yeah, I know, these blocks are pretty ghetto, but they work. Time to take the ratchet straps off and give it a good old sand. And there you have it, a hip triangle shelf to wrap up. The second gift idea is a phone stand. First I ripped it down to size. I notched it out on the table saw and just did multiple passes to get the right amount of width that I wanted. I flipped it over and notched out the other side and ripped off the excess. And now it's time to clean it up, sand it up, and smooth it out. Sadly, I don't have a router table, so this is my ghetto router jig. I don't really endorse trying this at home unless you're extremely comfortable with your router. And finally, to sand it all up and smooth it all out. And there you go, a pocket phone holder for the millennials in your life. The third gift idea is a wooden ring. It's super simple and easy to do, it just takes some time sanding. I used a Forstner bit closest to my ring size and drilled a hole through the wood. I cut off all the excess off with the bandsaw, and I got it as close to the ring size that I wanted it to. Here's the makeshift way I use to sand the ring, to get it as close to size and shape that I want. It gets it close, but it definitely isn't perfect. With a couple coats of lacquer, this is how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. My dog Sawyer would truly appreciate it. Leave a comment and let me know which other videos you want to see.